So what's up, guys? Do you like watching videos on YouTube? Do you like using YouTube or using YouTube to do a lot of things? Guys, if your answer is yes, then guys, this video here is up for you because I'm going to show you how you'll be able to make money whilst you are still watching your videos. I know most people don't have this knowledge about how to make money whilst they are still watching another people's video. Yes, but don't worry, at the end of this video, before this video end, I'll show you the way that you can make money when you are still watching the videos. And guys, this work worldwide, so it doesn't matter the country you're coming from. And guys, this and doesn't even matter the device you're using, whether you're using iPhone, Android phone, you're using Linux, you're using Windows, anything you're using, guys, it's work on it 100%. And guys, before much I said, in today's video, I have a sponsor who has sponsored this video. Yes, so doing sometimes I just want to introduce you to Youngster Music Award. And guys, all these people do that, they try to push every individual to the top. They try to push you in the top, whether you are talented, anything you get, you're a blogger, you're a YouTuber, anything that you like doing, you push you to the top. And guys, they are really legit. You can see I want an award from them, as you can see on the screen. That's the award that I won for them. That's the last 2 years. So you can also do the same thing by us clicking on the link in the description box below and submitting your music or submitting your proof to them. And guys, you are ready to go. So that much time I will just go. Now we are going to use an app called UCube, as you can see on the screen. And guys, when we are here, you can see that they're telling us what and Cash Online. Let me just bring the name closer. You can say Cash Online. You can say this group is having about almost 80,000 members and is established in 2017. 2007, and it still exists. So you can say you got viewer site, complete surveillance, watch videos, and what again? Okay, so you have over 20,000 payments sent, and you can promote your site here. So guys, that's how the app works here. So in case you want to, okay, so guys, with that much time I waste, let me just scroll down quickly. And guys, before I forget to, I have a bunch of 5 apps here that I'm going to show you. So just stick to him, and the last app is the best app for you to use. You can see. So after you're clicking on sign up, now they are requesting for our Gmail. Okay, and to confirm my Gmail, so let me just provide them with my Gmail real quick. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just providing with my Gmail. Okay, so let's scroll down. Now the password, let me just give them a random password real quick. Okay, I'll give them a random password. Okay, this here. Okay, now my phone name is there already, so let me just give them my username real quick. Okay, so that's my username, and I say I'm a male, date of birth as 7th January. Okay, real quick, I'm just typing it. Okay, so I'm in Ghana already. Now they're asking us, where have you heard from them? So guys, you have to write something like maybe Facebook, WhatsApp, from a friend, and all those kind of things. So you have filling in that box where you have heard them and who gave you the name of the place. After that, you just click on monetary reward and click on register, and guys, you are good to go. Okay, you have to click on this and you click on register, and guys, you are good to go. Okay, so after registration, I say, oh, thank you for signing up successfully. So you have to okay, you have to check the email box to confirm your verification code. So let me just go to my email box real quick. Let me just so here my email. You see, I can find them on my spam. So here on my email, I just click on the link that they sent to me, the email that they sent to me right now, because this is the verification link that under there. So what I need to do is just to click on the verification link. After verification link, you have to take me to a page like, okay, real quick. So you have to take me to a page like this, as you can see on the screen. So guys, here you are, and guys, this is where you'll be watching the videos and get paid. So they are demanding us for our particulars again, your email and password. So that's much time away. Let me just give them my email and password, and guys, boom, this is how we are. As you can see, this is where we are. And guys, you can see, oh yeah, you have a lot of tasks to do. This one is saying as out 2 websites for you to view and earn money. So the moment that you view the website, you earn money. The moment that you watch video, that you earn money. And guys, this app are really paying. I've sat down, I've started all of them, I'm doing all of them. So that's why I'm recommending a video about all of them here. So guys, with that much time away, all that you need to go ahead and do all those things. So that much time away, let's take us to the second WhatsApp that we called was the boss inside. As you can see, that's the boss inside. So here we are on the boss inside. Let me just bring it closer for you to see. Okay, this is spelling it. So the boss inside. And guys, as you can see, they say what? Let me just bring it closer. They say what? Gets paid 10 every 10 seconds. So every 10 seconds for the work that you do here, you're going to get paid, and the maximum withdrawal is for $2. Wow, this app is very good. I'm going to show you a proof that people from other countries are really withdrawing from this app. Yes, I'm going to show you a proof in this video that people are really withdrawing from this. I can see you can withdraw your money from what? The PayPal, the ad money, a lot of things. The Payoneer is accepted here, depending on the country that you are from. That's when. And in Ghana, you have withdraw money from here. In Ghana here, yes, we have Ghana. So don't worry, all this app I'm showing work worldwide. In Ghana, you can withdraw with PayPal, and I know most of you don't know what PayPal is. What you need to do is just to go to YouTube, type in PayPal Shapiro Acid, and guys, my video will pop up there that you watch how to create a PayPal account in Ghana. Okay guys, so without much time, I say you just go ahead and click on the sign button. Let me just bring it closer. Quick. Let me show you what you're going to do here real quick. Okay, so guys, here you are on the registration column. As you can see, they only requires our username. Let me just bring it closer for you to all to see. Okay, they request our username, our login, and then payment email. To confirm our email is to refer somebody. And guys, what I'll be doing in this video that I'm not going to give you any referral code. Yeah, I want all of you to start from scratch. And guys, when you think that what I'm doing here in this video you really like it, because I'm not going to give you my referral code for you to sign up. Just try from scratch and make a lot of money from it. You refer people and make a lot of money from it, because guys, I know all of you watching this video, you're looking for a way to make money. So you think you have found value of what I'm doing, just why not go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon below to be notified when I drop more videos. And don't forget to give me a like on this video, guys. Please, I'm begging you. I know most of you don't like my videos. I don't know why, but guys, when you like the video, to motivate me that what I'm doing, people really like it, and to motivate me to go ahead and do video about how to make money online. So that's we are here. And now let's go to the currency. Now currency, you can say it's in US dollars. So you can decide to change it to your country currency, but I will encourage all of you to leave it as US dollars. And the payment method you can go about PayPal, the add money, the perfect money, all those kind of things. So those are in Ghana. You require the date of birth to give you a date of birth. And guys, pay attention here. As you can see, they say you should choose one of the now here they require me to choose a word. No, guys, as you can see on the top there, they will tell you what to choose. So they say word, they can tell you to choose a termite, a hat, a flag, a house. So anyone, now you turn on the agree terms of services and click on register, and guys, we are good to go. That's simply how you are able to use the box inside. So with that much I said, let me just show you a payment proof real quick. As I click on the payment proof, as you can see, this amount of money people are just withdrawing from this app. As you can see, this is my country, Ghana here. I don't know if people can see Ghana on the screen, but I can see Ghana here. That's how it's $5. Let me just bring $5, and the person have received the money through PayPal account. And then you can see this is a word they're paying worldwide, guys. This app is really well. So I will say this app is one of the best in this video, that I encourage all of you to go ahead with it and use it to make a lot of money online. So that's missing one time. I don't want to miss with any much time on this app. I don't want to miss any much time on this app, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon below to be notified when I drop more videos. And let me know your biggest problem. Just comment, guys. If you don't have anything to comment, just thank me for what the vital information that I've given you, guys. It will really motivate me to be releasing video even every day, because I have a lot of video about how to make money online, and I have a real video about how to make money online all in store. So guys, just appreciate me by liking this video. Just like, guys, I'm begging you again, just please like this video, subscribe, share the video to all your friends that you think that they need money, and they're looking for a way to make money online. Guys, with that much I said, this is taking us to the next website, and the next website here is what we call the Fusion Cast. Okay, so as you can see, the Fusion Cast, as you can see on the screen here. And then when you're here, you can see that the moment that you just sign up, when you are giving us $5 bonus. Wow, yeah, real app here, you can see. So I did an investigation about all this app, and I choose the best out of it. So guys, you want to click on the registration button. All that you need is your username, you need your email, you need your password, then you confirm your password, and you need your zip code, and that's all. Click on register and you're good to go. I don't want to miss much time, guys. You can see they will pay you for you watching video, performing tasks, downloading mobile apps, playing games, referring friends, and a lot of more here. With that much I said, I don't want to waste much time here. So with that much I said, that's all that I have for you here. So go ahead, click create an account here, and that's take us towards the next website that we call the Arizo. So as you can see, the Arizo is another website that pays you a lot, and you can see that it have paid a member. The money keep increasing. I don't know, it has paid almost, that's 151 million 700. That's the amount of money that this company can say is acceptable by Yahoo, or is sponsored by Yahoo. So this app is really paying. Yes, I may say this app is really paying, and this take us, I think this take us to the fourth or the third app also. So as you can see on the screen here, the screen where they say any gift card or cash. So you can see at the top there, you can either watch video. Let me just click on the watch video real quick. Okay, so let me just face this real quick. As you want to watch it, they say get paid for watching videos online, guys. as I said at the beginning of this video, all these apps I'm showing you, they have a lot of things that you can do, but my main focus is what watching video and get paid. As the moment you're watching videos from all these websites, you get paid. So when you click on the register button, you can say that the only thing that you require is what you require: your email, your first name, your last name, and the password. Then you click on the create account, and you are good to go. And that's it's very simple. And this takes us to the last fifth site called what the Nana app. The app Nana, as you can see, the app Nana. And guys, this app is working on Android and it's working on the iPhone. I'm not sure it will support on the Linux or the Windows. As you can see, those of you who are using the I'm going to show you how it will look like for those of you who are using the Android phone, because I'm also using an Android phone. Yeah, the reason being is that a lot of apps I'm using here does not support an iPhone. So they can see this is how it appears on Android phone. Nana gives cards, as you can see. So when you scroll down, you can see they have a lot of recommendations. It's having about 4.5 stars. Wow, it's a good app, guys. This app is really working. But I'm not a financial advisor for you to tell you much about this app. You can go ahead and read more about this app. It's good for you. Go ahead and read it and watch video. Just watch video and get paid for doing all those things as on the screen there. So guys, when you think that I found a value on this video, why not go ahead and subscribe? Click on the red subscribe button, click on the red subscribe button, and click on the bell icon below so anytime I drop more videos. And guys, I've shown you about 5 apps that will pay you for just watching videos. So that much I said, let me just go through the apps that I've shown in this video. The first app that I showed in this video is what we called the YouTube. And the second one is the boss inside. As you can see, that's the boss inside that I've showed them. The third one is the Fusion Cash. Okay, the fish cash. Okay, so the one is the Arizona. The last one I showed you here is what we call the app Nana and the Nana app. So those are the apps that I have for you from today's video. So guys, I'm done with today's video, and guys, see you in my next video. But before that, subscribe and click on the bell icon below to be notified I drop more videos, and I'll be dropping videos about how to make money online. And guys, don't forget to check out my new promotion stuff. That's what the Youngstar Music Award. Check it out. Click on the link on the bio, and guys, so click on the link on the bio. It's raising. What they do is that they will do 6 months promotion. 6 months promotion. They'll take you to any radio station in Ghana. You take it to big places in Ghana. Yes, if you won award with them. So there is a vacancy going on. So I will encourage all of you to click on the link in the bio, especially those of you in Ghana, and sign up with them. See you in my next video.